Draw easy. Today, we are going to draw Peppa Pig jumping in a puddle. First, I will start by drawing 2 circles for Peppa's eyes, a smaller circle for her cute cheek, a smiling mouth, and a nose. Then, I will sketch the shape of her head and her 2 ears. Next, I will outline her body, draw her 2 arms, a curly tail, and her 2 cute shoes. Finally, I will add the water beneath her feet to complete the scene. Now, I will go over the lines to make the drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I will use red for Peppa's dress. Light pink for her skin. Orange for her shoes. And blue for the water. Peppa looks so happy splashing around. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.